Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Uforika token. Ticker symbol is Fora, F-O-R-A. Now it's just announced that this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing very soon on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Uforika is an entertainment company on a mission to liberate limitless creativity for the virtual world. With a focus on transmedia IP across gaming, technology, and digital experiences, journey into the heart of a world of play, creation, and community with innovative tool sets, enabling user-generated content to be published and broadcast in seconds. Immersed in its own unique storyline IP, Uforika is redefining the technological and user experiences that will shape the future of this industry. Now, name of the token is Uforika. Ticker symbol F-O-R-A, Fora. There is a max total supply of 7,000,008,000 tokens. It's kind of a weird number. This is on the Polygon, the Matic blockchain here. It's a Matic token. And how the token is split up here, 10% goes to ecosystem rewards, 6% goes to marketing, 13% goes to staking rewards, so you will be able to stake this token to acquire more tokens. 18% of the tokens go to the treasury, 17% the team, 7% advisors, 5% liquidity, 2% public sale, 14% strategic, and 8% seed. Now, this token, it was just announced as getting a brand new central exchange listing. Starting January 30th at 6 a.m. UTC time, this token will be listed on Gate. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Gate account, all you would have to do is download Gate from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get it on your PC at gate.io. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Fora, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then simply just buy the token. Now, this token has a gigantic white paper on their webpage, a 39-page white paper. It's going to have, all the info basically you could think of on there. They do have a webpage that you can find, uforika.io. And over there they got lots of cool, video and artwork and things that pop up. So it says you can get early access to the Genesis collection right now. You can register on your page for that. It says sign up to get early access of our Genesis egg collection and all future products. So there's also a alpha program you could join. There's a comic book on their page. There's blog articles. There's so much information on here. So it says, welcome to Uforika, a revolutionary, massive multiplayer online metaverse platform, building a new cutting-edge technology. It's a new fit-for-purpose technology. Uforika is a massive multiplayer online world platform empowering users to have fun, grow, and evolve in a 3D virtual reality-based ecosystem, providing innovation in user-generated content tooling directly in the live environment. Uforika is building a platform where skill, engagement, creation, and evolution are rewarded, Every aspect is being designed with accessibility and inclusion in mind. From the earliest stages of development, this drives our utility and our purpose to deliver a truly inclusive environment as we seek to engage consumers and evolve them into players, creators, and contributors of our platform. A new dawn awaits. And you can watch the preview trailer. There's a little short trailer on their webpage, uforika.io. It says, 1 planet, 7 cities, unlimited experiences. Are you ready to become a Fortian? I guess that's the name of the people who inhabit this planet on the metaverse. Fortians. Begin your journey and redefine your reality. You can join now. It says, the game, the gaming heart of our world, a hoverboard battle racing game inspired by some of our favorite titles, including Super Mario, Smash Brothers, Pokemon, Wipeout. It's competitive, intense combat and carnage racing game, introducing powerful new characters, allowing you to forge the ultimate bonds. The world, with a focus on transmedia IP across gaming, technology, and digital experiences, says journey into the heart of our world of play, creation, and community, unleashing its own unique storyline. IP Uforika invites you to discover its hidden past and play an active role in shaping its future. And the tech, it says, introducing a new approach of gaming technology, building for purpose, and for the future of our user-generated content. Uforika is architecting towards an environment with efficient performance, AAA quality, and accessibility at its core of its mission. And it says this is incubated by Kucoin Labs. So they may have a Kucoin Labs listing as well. I know for sure they're getting this Gate one. There is another coin that I'm putting a video out on today called the Zeta chain, ticker symbol Zeta. That project is being listed on Gate and Kucoin as well. So maybe this one's in the same boat. But I know for sure Gate. But they are partners with Kucoin Labs, and they have tons of other partners on here. Maven Capital, MEXC. I mean, there's a huge list of them here. At the very bottom of their page, if you don't want to read a 36 long page white paper, they do have a link to a light paper, and they have frequently asked questions. And then you could check out their ambassador program. They also have a LinkedIn, a Discord group that you could join. Telegram and Twitter are all linked at the bottom of uforika.io. And go check this token out. Let me know in the comments. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.